Hello folks, this is Dr. Omar Bali. So today I'm going to be showing you how that we can wear a mask during these corona times. So I am keeping a mask which is which you don't have to every time have a new mask. This is one made out of cloth, so you can wash it at the same time after like use it for a day or two, depending on how much usage is happening. If there's a lot of usage, then you have to probably wash it every other day or every day as well. And the way that you're going to be wearing the mask is, first of all, you need to know how you handle it. So you're going to handle it from these elastic ropes, or if you have a different kind of mask, then you always hold it from those elastic parts as well. And the main things that you want to keep in mind is that you don't want to be touching your hands to the inside or the outside, because your hands could be having infection, and you want to make sure that it does not go into the inner surface so that you end up breathing that. So the part that you could hold on to is probably the edges of the mask that could at least help you adjust when you're wearing it. So in this particular mask, I will obviously have to put my head around it. If it's a fresh brand new mask, then I can hold the outer surface because my hands are clean. I will have to wash my hands first, and then I can hold it from here, and then I can put it on, and then I can use the elastic and tie it around at the back of my head. But if it's not like you've used it for say 2 hours or 3 hours already, then you may not, that does not apply, because your hands will now get contaminated if you hold to the external surface. So then in that case, what you do is that you can just tie it around this thing, making sure that the surface is not the inner or outer surface is not touching your face too much. It's just the minimal, and then you can keep it like as expected. And the one part of the band can come here, the other part of the band can be at the neck. Depending, if you want to keep it tight, then you can keep it somewhere here where it's giving that tightness at the lower as well as at the higher level. Okay, then you want to make sure that this metal thing out here, which is elastic, like a malleable metal, it can be pressed. Now that's the only part which you want to press, and when you press this, it becomes at the shape of your nose, right? And so it prevents any air movement outside. So now this particular mask has got like when I breathe outside, there is a vent for it, but breathing in, it prevents. It's got that some kind of a mechanism that prevents that air to be removed. Okay, so that's the basic idea that you want to keep in mind. And of course, now when you are removing the mask as well, you want to avoid touching this. One thing you want to make sure is that as soon as you have worn the mask, then wash your hands, because that is something that makes sure that even if there was some contamination on the mask that has come to your hands, that gets avoided when you wash your hands, right? I hope my voice is very clear right now because I'm speaking through the mask. Okay, so then the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to be as far as the removal is concerned, hold on to these elastics, and then see, now if you don't want to touch here, you don't want to be holding on to this while removing it, because that contaminates the hand. I mean, ideally that's what I would suggest. And then you would using this without any external surface touching your hands or anywhere else on your face. Even the mask is cleanly removed, and then you put it at a safe place where it is away from any of the it should be at not a place where you end up putting something that you could get exposed to. Obviously, these are obvious facts. Some masks have a proper case with them as well, and you can place them properly in the case as well. That would be an even better method. So these are the few things that just a basic thing. Yes, as far as washing masks is concerned, something that I am doing, I don't know whether there are recommendations on this or what is the thing. But as long as they are washable masks, then depending on how much usage, like I told you, keep that in mind and alternate them so that while one is being washed, the other one can be used. If it's a one-time use, then it's obvious you discard it once you've used it. And these are some basic things that you need to be aware of. I think that's good enough for just getting the basics clear. Well, take care. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.